Biren Singh has been asked to resign only because the entire tribal community of India has moved away from the Bharatiya Janata Party. I heard the Honorable Finance Minister talk about Bihar. I heard the Honorable Prime Minister talk about the middle class with the Delhi elections which were due. But I never once heard the name of Manipur from the Finance Minister, where 60,000 people have been displaced, where hundreds of people have been murdered and butchered and women raped and children who are out of schools. Thousands have fled from Manipur to different parts of India, sir. Whether it is Calcutta, whether it is Assam, whether it is Delhi. Today, sir, what the Finance Minister should have said is not just Bihar, but she should have promised a comprehensive package for the rehabilitation of Manipur, which she did not. There should have been a comprehensive package, because what happens to Manipur impacts all the northeastern states. Today, we cannot accept just the resignation of the Chief Minister as a solution to Manipur. And if the Manipur tapes are investigated, we will see and we will find out, and we want to